Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope everybody is safe, okay? And you're taking the necessary precautions to remain safe. Okay, I'm back, guys. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So, today I want to show you a system that I've been using for months, okay? This system right here actually gives me 100 leads every day, okay? This is another tool, okay, that I use. And what it does is it gives me these leads and it gives me the system to use, the platform. All I have to do is go in there every day and send an email, okay? So I want to show you that. And this is how I get a lot of leads, because without leads, guys, you're not in business. You have to have people looking at your opportunity, okay? You got to have people asking for information. They want to know more about this. Send me a link, okay? So that's what this allows us to do, all right? And I'm going to show you that real quick here. So this is a sales page that I'm using. Okay, it does all the selling. This is a video here. I'm not going to play it, but this does all the selling and telling for me far as this system. But what I want to do is show you, because it has an affiliate side to it too. You get paid to send people, to share this with people, and then they get the system too. But I'm just showing you the tool. I really want to focus on the tool. Okay, now you've probably seen this out here, and I've done many videos for it before. My lead gen secret. Okay, it's the real deal. Okay, it's $30 one time and then $30 a month. So right here and now, today, doesn't matter when you sign up in the middle of the night, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, doesn't matter. If you go ahead right now and join this, you can get you 100 leads instantly. Okay, so for 60 bucks, this is a steal. $1 a day, you're actually going to end up with 3,000 a month. Okay, that's how many leads you're going to get. So just imagine you sending 3,000 people a month one of your links to your primary business. If you have a business already that you have, but you're just struggling to get leads and sign-ups, use this system, use this tool. Okay, the leads are here. These are people that's interested in receiving emails from you. They want more information, and that's the biggest thing, is people don't know how to get leads. They want to bother their friends and family, bug people on Facebook that they don't know, inbox and spamming everybody in their messenger. That's not how you do it, okay? I have people coming to me. And what works with this is because it's a system. It's just like the franchises out there. You know, your McDonald's, your Chick-fil-A's. If you notice, think about it. I don't care where you go in the world. Like, let's say Chick-fil-A. It's a franchise, but they have a system in place. Anywhere you go, pretty much, the service may suck, okay? You may have bad service, but I know Chick-fil-A service is good. But let's just say the product is the chickens. Let's say the chicken sandwich. You can go from your state to another state, and you go to Chick-fil-A, it's still the same, because it's duplication. Okay, it doesn't matter where you go. That franchise has a system in place where it's duplicatable. Okay, so that's what we have here. It's duplicatable. Get this system, send out the emails. They give you emails that you can send out. It's an extra $30, but you get 30 emails that you can use and send to these people. Just send them your offer, whatever you're trying to promote. I promote various things, so I send different emails, but it works. And I'm going to show you some of that. So at any rate, the system is 60 bucks to get started. You can do this today, and you can immediately have some people that you can promote your business to. That's what we're here to talk about. Now, as it states here, you get 100 drip-fed business opportunity email subscribers into your contact list every 24 hours, which is what I just said. And they have a residual income and all that. I didn't join for the commissions. I actually joined because I want to use this system. It's a tool. Okay, that's what makes me successful with this online business and offline business, because I use tools. Okay, now they will give you, you can earn $100 bonus for every 5 people you refer, and they pay out every week. You can receive a check. You can receive your commissions via PayPal or Bitcoin. Okay, and it comes with a back office and all that, guys. As you can see right here, is 5 levels. Like I said, I'm not in it for the commissions, which is great. I like the tool. Tools is key. It keeps everything simple. I work smarter, not harder. I don't chase people around. People contact me because I have the tools and the systems in place to work for me. It does all the heavy lifting. Okay? And I want you to be able to do the same thing. So definitely get this. Now, let me show you. And check this page out. This is a nice page. There's a lot of testimonies. It's not me talking. Look at all the testimonies on here. This actually works. Okay? So, you want to get my lead gen secret. I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and sign up today for this. And if you want this system, this page, this is a external system, $20 a month for this. But let's get into, let me show you the leads I'm getting coming in. Hang on. Okay, take a look here. Look at all the leads coming in. Of course, I have my own email list too of people, but I use my lead gen secret and I get all these leads. Okay, that's coming in. Some are people that's on my list, but some are through that other system. Look, 174 pages of leads. Okay, so this thing works, guys. This thing works. So let's take a look. I'm in the back office now. Okay, let me just show you how real this is. I click my leads. I'm going to cover up. I'm going to show you the information that you actually get. I'm going to cover up this information. Hang on. Okay, check it out. Go to the link below, www.thisworks247.com. Okay, this is what you get. Here's an example. First name, I'm not going to show their information, but first name, last name, email address, IP address, city, state, zip. They're in the U.S. Okay, as you can see, look at the names. This is the real deal. Okay, so you definitely want to check this out. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the back office again. Hang on, just want you to see all the leads that comes in and what actually you receive. But look at all the pages of leads. I actually get 200 now. If you refer at least one person, they give you an extra 100 leads. So I get 200 a day. So just imagine that. That's 6,000 leads a month. Okay, if you just refer one person that pays their membership every month, they pay that $30 every month, you're going to get 200. So you just double the leads. So look at this. Pages and pages and pages. Okay, so I've been getting that for some time now. Let me show you about how many I have now. Okay, today is April 1st. I have 71,800 leads. Okay, that I can send a blast to every day. And it just keeps adding 200, 200, 200 every day, guys. Okay, so this is what you want. Okay, because that's what most people struggle with is, I don't have anyone to talk to. No one is listening. I'm bugging everybody. You don't need to do that. These are targeted people that's interested. Okay, just like it said over here. See, it tells you these are business opportunity email subscribers. So they're interested in receiving information about how to make money from home. So these are spam compliant. Okay, so they're open to, okay, to what you have to offer. They're open to listening, reading an email. Okay, so let's check this out. So right here, like if I want to send an email right now, I can. It's telling me I've got to wait 33 minutes. You can do this every 24 hours. You just go and log in. You come back here and you click mailing system, which is where I am. And you just compose the email. Now, what I recommend is they have 30 email swipes back here. Okay, spend that extra $30 and let them write the emails for you. You don't even have to write the emails. It's done for you. All you have to do is use what they're giving you. Copy and paste, Boom. Actually, it's just clicking a button. It's not even copy and paste. Let me show you. So the master swipes are here. Let's say I wanted to use this one right here. All I have to do is click import. Boom. It goes right into compose that email for me. Okay. Really simple. This is what I use. I'm telling you. Now the stats vary, okay, from day to day. But the point of the matter is, you have the leads of people, and every day you're getting 100 fresh people. Every day, every day, every day. Okay. So look at this one. Let's see. I had an open rate of 8.47%. You've got money. Okay. That's a part of the email swipes. See, that's pretty high. Okay. So they're clicking through here. That's the whole point. These are real leads. These are real people. Okay. This is not bots, robots. So again, I'm sharing with you a tool that you can use, okay, to receive 100 leads every day. It comes with the email system, the platform. All you have to do is log in. Every 24 hours, you can email 100 fresh people a day, 3,000 a month, refer one person. Now you have 6,000 leads a month. $60 to get started, 30 one-time setup, and 30 a month. Boom, you're done, okay? But let me show you this. Okay, they sent me a commission. Now let's go back down here. What does it say right here? Earn $100 bonuses for every 5 customers you refer. Let me show you. Had to cover this up because folks will still check numbers, check routing numbers. So look at this. It's $105. It tells you right here, my lead gen secret commissions. Where are we? See that? My lead gen secret commissions. Oops, it's crooked. Let's go over this way. See that? Okay, so I received 100. It's actually 105 because you make these other right here. See, it's 5 levels, 500 a month, and so forth. Again, like I said, I didn't join for the commissions. It's great to have it. I joined for the system because I have a few programs I promote and I email to these people. And it shows that I'm getting leads and I'm getting signups. So I'm coming back showing you guys proof payments of different programs that I'm a part of. Let me show you another one. I showed you just the other day another program I'm in, and I got all these kits. I use this and I use solo ads. And I'll be happy to share that provider with you, a couple providers. Let me show you some more proof on that. Remember I showed you guys this? This program right here, Club Cash Fund, I also use that My Lead Gen Secret for this as well. And I'm getting these kits. People are requesting more information about the program. And I don't have to mail out any letters. I just use systems and tools, and you can do the same, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put the link below so you can get this system and this tool. If you have a program out there you're trying to promote and you have a link, a website that you're promoting, and you're not getting, you know, traffic, or you don't know where to get leads from, how can I promote this? I highly recommend this system right here. I'm going to put my link below, but it's www.thisworks247.com. If you have any questions about it, give me a call, but go check it out right now. Matter of fact, just go sign up. Spend $60, get the system, spend an extra $30, and get the 30 emails so you don't have to worry about, well, what do I say? I don't know how to write an email. You can get that as well. So that will be $90. You're good to go. Okay? So I look forward to working with you with this system, My Lead Gen Secret, guys. And this particular system right here is awesome. Okay, I've been using that and getting a lot of responses. As you can see, I just showed you that. And then I told you the company mailed me a commission for referring at least 5 people. You get an extra 100 every week. They will send you this. Okay? So with that being said, guys, look forward to working with you. I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.